Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: earning money by creating and selling templates on Canva, exclusively on Etsy. Let's explore how you can turn your creativity into profit. I have Etsy open, where numerous templates are available for sale, ranging from calendars to custom quotes, cups, shirts, and cards. Let's search for something to get inspiration from. I'm searching for thank you cards here. We have encountered a wide variety of thank you cards being sold by different sellers. Interestingly, the best seller has the Canva logo mentioned. This suggests that they might have created these cards using Canva. If they can sell successfully, why not give it a try yourself? We have an abundance of other designs available here, all of which look appealing. It's incredibly easy to create them with some alterations and fully showcase your own creativity. Just draw inspiration from them. One card is being sold for $2.05 USD, which can potentially earn you a decent amount of money in the end. We can easily add to that by drawing inspiration. Now let's move on to Canva, where we'll create one ourselves. Select the custom size option and input 3.5 for the width and 2 for the height. Here we have a simple page for our card. Next, choose the color for your card. I'll opt for this one because it looks quite decent, but of course you can choose any color you prefer. Now we have a text box, and I'll select a bold font for it. I'll type in thank you and adjust it a bit. Let's make 3 copies of it easily. After duplicating, I'll align them in the middle. Now let's remove the background effects by selecting None. Here you have your layout. Just draw inspiration from it. And in just a few minutes, you can create something that looks good. This looks pretty good, doesn't it now? Let's find another cursive font that will say, for your order. We'll research and change its color to something else because it will look even better. Let's see which shade of pink looks great. In my opinion, pink looks great for this, but you can choose whatever color you prefer. Now let's head to the Elements section. We'll search for background elements. To make our card eye-catchy, here we have a bunch of stuff that we can put on. Let's select some splash background and move it to back. And here select this and change color it to blue looking good. Let's send this one to the back. Let's move it to the corner. I'll change its color to pink. Additionally, let's copy and paste it for symmetry. Now let's search for more elements to decorate. I like these squares, so I'll place them here and make a copy. It looks very colorful and appealing. You can experiment with creativity here. By doing so, you can create unique designs. I hope you enjoyed the process. Stay connected for more videos and ideas on how to earn money online. Take care.